Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something that can completely transform the speed of your manifestations. If you have tried visualizing, scripting, affirmations, and still feel like things are slow or stuck, this might be the one insight you have been missing. The law of assumption works faster than the law of attraction. Now, in this video, I will show you why this is true and how you can start using the law of assumption in 3 simple steps today itself. Now, most people use the law of attraction by focusing on what they want or they are trying to attract. The law of assumption takes a different approach. Instead of wanting the desire, you assume the state of already having it. You don't attract from lack, you create from identity. This difference alone speeds up your manifestations. Let's be honest, wanting something often activates more wanting. You may visualize your goal, but internally you may feel it's not here yet. What if it doesn't come? And your subconscious picks up that vibration of absence, not the desire. Plus, with law of attraction, you can do all the techniques, scripting, affirmations, action. But if your identity still believes, I'm someone who struggles, I'm not ready, I'm not worthy, your results will hit that ceiling every time. You attract according to your self-concept, not your wish. That's why manifestation feels slow or inconsistent. This is where the law of assumption becomes powerful. Instead of asking, you become. Instead of hoping, you embody. Instead of chasing, you assume. When you step into the identity of the version of you who already has the desire, resistance drops, doubt dissolves, your nervous system relaxes. You stop checking for results. Your energy matches the outcome. Your subconscious says, oh, this is who we are now. And your outer reality rearranges to match it. Assumption works faster because there is no gap between you and your desire. You close that gap internally first, and then external reality catches up. Now, here are 3 simple steps to start using the law of assumption immediately. Step number 1, choose your state. Ask yourself, if my desire was already fulfilled, how would I feel right now? Calm, loved, wealthy, safe, successful. Now feel that version for 30 to 60 seconds. Step number 2, live from it, not towards it. Now make small decisions as that version of you. Your assumptions shape your behavior, and your behavior shapes your reality. So adjust your behavior and your response to situations accordingly. Let me give you some examples. You decline low-paying work without guilt. You start to communicate your needs without fear. During disagreements, you respond calmly instead of anxiously. You start choosing people who show emotional availability. And you promote yourself and speak confidently about your work. Step number 3, drop the waiting energy. No checking, no overthinking, no saying when will it happen. You don't wait for what you already are, right? And that is why things show up faster. So remember, the law of attraction focuses on wanting. The law of assumption focuses on being. When you shift your identity, your reality shifts with it, quickly and powerfully. Comment below I am if you are ready to assume the version of yourself who already has everything you desire. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Till then, happy manifesting.